Good morning, it's Luis Martinez, your car guy from Larry Miller Hyundai of Peoria. Just wanted to show you I do indeed have your 2016 Genesis with the Ultimate Package. As you know, there are not many in the valley left because the Genesis 2017 G80s are out now. But I wanted to show you that I do indeed have it on my showroom floor. I do have it in stock. It's not just a picture online. You're not gonna get here or not gonna work out numbers and then find out that it's not here. Beautiful, beautiful car. I wanted to show you the exact one that you had inquired about. There's your VIN number. All right. Give me a call, 623-815-4544. I definitely want to earn your business. Give me a call, 623-815-4544. Luis, your car guy from Larry Miller Hyundai. Thank you.